excited for it. It's a similar engine. It's the same engine, right, as the Meteor?
It's supposed to be.
Yeah, I'm excited for it.
How the power feels.
Yeah, it looks nice too, man.
All right, so that's gonna be like that.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine.
It ain't going nowhere.
Thank you so much, man. Appreciate it.
Yeah. There we go.
Thank you. Alright guys, so today I got the Hunter 350. I've been waiting to take this bike on a test ride for a very long time now, ever since I've seen all the pictures and videos on it. So let's move this up, take it for a quick spin. Feel the clutch. Alright guys, let's go. Oh my god, so it is so light. So what I plan on doing is I plan on taking it for just a quick spin. I really want to see how it is on the highway because it is a 350, but I'm absolutely obsessed with how this looks. I think it would be a perfect urban motorcycle to ride, especially if you live downtown. I think it would be great. Oh, yeah, that's fun. Probably should have taken off this tag, but let me do it in a sec. Yeah, I could tell right off the bat that this bike would be perfect for anyone who is just starting out riding. I mean, the freaking price on it's $4,000, you know, before tax, title fees and all that, but $4,000 for MSRP for a brand new motorcycle. It still comes with the same 3-year unlimited mile warranty that Royal Enfield offers. So if you guys are in the Katy area, make sure to stop by Iron Supply Power Sports. They are the ones who are letting me test ride this motorcycle. I've done countless videos with them so far. I'll try putting a list up right here. That way you can see exactly how many motorcycles they've let me test ride. So shout out to them. Alright, so right off the bat, I'm getting a lot of good torque for a 350 from first to second gear. It's ripping through pretty easily through, you know, traffic so far. Overall, so far, a very fun motorcycle right off the bat. So we're gonna take it on the highway now just to see how it feels at higher speeds. But if this bike could easily get, you know, that 70 miles per hour without any issues, especially on Texas highways. I think this is a great overall motorcycle, aside from being just a perfect urban cruiser motorcycle. Now this shares the same platform as the Meteor 350, along with the other bike I can't think of right now, but it's in that same family, should be the same engine. Overall though, I really enjoyed the looks of it. I believe this colorway is specifically, oh, and super easy to put into neutral. So I think this is called Dapper White, which is the colorway that I was looking at on different people's reviews, and the colorway that really stuck out to me. So you got the black piping all the way through, engine casing, everything is basically all blacked out. Very, very well, very, very nice fittings and all that. So yeah, again, for $4,000, yeah, 2023 Royal Enfield Hunter 350 in Dapper White. The mirrors are a little bit vibey. There's a lot of vibration coming through on, honestly, both of them, but those are usually the first things that I change out whenever I buy a motorcycle. So this having some bar end mirrors, I think, would go a long way. So let's see what's in the gauge cluster. So you got very easy to read display, super simple, no TFT display or anything like that, which isn't expected for this price range, but has everything you need. Now I have a Royal Enfield GT 650, and that is also bare bones as far as what it has. I believe it has ABS. This should have ABS, I gotta double check, and I'll put it up right here. But yeah, overall I'm excited to take this bike out, really see how the legs are on this bike. Should be a brand new motorcycle with I think it says 2.2 miles, so I might be the first one to actually have ridden this motorcycle so far. Which again, shout out to Iron Supply Power Sports in Katy, Texas. It's these guys right here. They have been absolutely amazing, treating me like family for years now. And yeah, they are definitely the best motorcycle dealership for all things Triumph, Royal Enfield, even Suzuki, and CF Moto. They have been absolutely crushing it with everything that they do sell over there. So if you are in the Houston, Katy, or even outskirt area, make sure to check these guys out. They have been absolutely nothing but amazing. So check them out, test ride this motorcycle, and let me know your guys' thoughts in the comments below. This video should be the initial impressions, first ride review, and my initial thoughts. I really don't go into technical details too much. I really just want to give you guys an honest feel of how motorcycles are and how they ride. Put this to neutral. So hope you guys are enjoying this type of videos, and I plan on riding this motorcycle alongside the brand new Suzuki GSX 8S, I believe it's called. So excited to ride that motorcycle because my buddy Carl over at Iron Supply let me ride his GSX S750 before, which if you guys haven't already, check out that video. But that was an amazing motorcycle, so much fun, so much power, sounded amazing. So yeah, I'm excited for that video. So let's go ahead and take this on the highway right now, and let's see how she feels. All right, guys, so just got done test riding this Hunter 350. Wanted to give my initial thoughts. Overall, it is kind of what I expected to be, which is okay at the highway. It topped out at about 80 miles per hour, which was honestly expected. I think the max is 100 that it showcases there, but once it's broken in, maybe a few more mods, and if you were a little bit lighter than me, you could probably get up to 85, 90, I think, on a straightaway. So also I'm 5'7", weigh about 185, 180, so the seat height is very easy to hop onto. It's got this very narrow middle part here, so I could easily, for being 5'7", and I don't know my inseam, but I could easily flat foot and tiptoe on one side. So very easy to maneuver. It's very light. I'm gonna put the weight up right now, but super easy to maneuver, get through traffic. So I truly think that this is a very good motorcycle to have if you live in a city. So if you live in a congested area, you could easily get through traffic here on this motorcycle. If you lived somewhere with a lot of highway use, I would probably look for something else, if I was being completely honest. But for the purposes that you need to, you know, maybe a weekend ride here and there, you could easily put stuff here. I'm sure you could, you know, tow up very easily. Overall, a very nice, nimble, simple motorcycle that I think anyone who is a beginner or looking to get into riding, I think this is an amazing motorcycle. And you can kind of see the way it looks, its frame, and the design that Royal Enfield is going with it, that add in some exhaust pipes to it on this thumper engine, add some really cool off-road wheels. I think it would make an awesome scrambler mod. Thank you again for tuning into the channel. If you like videos like this, make sure to comment down below. That way I can go ahead and answer all your questions, get the bikes you want on the channel. And without further ado, hope you guys have a great rest of the day and ride safe, guys.